In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a video in Adobe Express. Thoughtful text can introduce your topic, highlight key moments, and make your message more accessible. I'll walk you through a clean, reliable workflow so your titles and captions look professional and appear exactly when you want them to. Start by opening Adobe Express and creating a new video project, or opening one you've already started. Give the project a moment to load so the preview and timeline are fully ready. It helps to play a few seconds of your footage to get a feel for where text might be most useful, like the opening, a transition, or a key explanation. Next, look to the left-hand panel and click Text. This opens a library designed just for text. You'll see options for simple text, as well as styled presets. If your workspace looks different, make sure you're in the video editor view and not a separate page layout. From here, choose Add Your Text for a clean blank starting point, or select a text template if you want a pre-made style. Templates are great for quick results because they bundle font, size, and layout choices that work well together. You can always change any of these settings later, so pick whichever option gets you moving fastest. Type the words you want to appear on screen, then drag the text box to the spot you prefer in the video frame. Snap guides will help you center things or align to edges. Keep text away from the very bottom, where platform controls might cover it, and avoid blocking faces or important visuals. Short phrases or two-line stacks tend to read better than long sentences. Use the text settings to fine-tune font, size, color, style, and alignment. Choose a readable font and set a size that's legible on mobile screens. For color, aim for strong contrast against the background. If your footage is busy, consider a subtle background shape or a semi-transparent fill to make the words pop. Adjust alignment to match your layout, and refine line spacing to keep multi-line text comfortable to read. Consistency across titles and captions will give your video a cohesive look. Finally, use the timeline to control when the text appears and disappears. Select the text layer and drag its start and end handles to match the moment you want. You can move the entire layer to shift it earlier or later, and trim precisely by zooming into the timeline. Press play to preview, then nudge the timing until it feels natural and easy to read. Repeat as needed for additional moments in your video, and you're all set.